Today, we are going to study about opaque materials. But before that, let us first understand what is light, source of light, and how does light travel. What is light? Light is an electromagnetic radiation that can be detected by the human eye. Now, we have source of light. First one is the natural source of light, the sunlight. Next, we have artificial source of light. Example is flashlight. Another example is candlelight. Now, I have here a simple experiment that explains how light travels. The materials are 3 cardboards, pencil, scissors, and a plastic lid. First, draw a circle on each cardboard. Next is cut the circle pattern. Cut each cardboard on its middle part and make a stand. Put the 3 cardboards at the same level on the same place in a straight line. And place the lighted candle in such a way that you can see it through all the 3 tiny holes. When everything is ready, put the cardboard slightly on the other side and you can't see the candle light. Then put it back again on its original position. Then you can see the light again. This shows that light cannot bend, it only travels in a straight line. What is the role of light in opaque materials? Because of light, we are able to see beautiful things that surrounds us and we are able to distinguish the difference between transparent and opaque material. As you can see, we have here 2 bowls of soy sauce, one from a stainless bowl and one from the glass bowl. But why you can see the soy sauce from eye level perspective through the stainless bowl? It is because of light. Light can travel across the glass but not across the steel. Different objects react differently through light. When an object does not allow light through them, they are called opaque materials. Opaque materials. In opaque materials, any coordinated vibrations given by the light to the atoms and molecules are turned into a random kinetic energy that is into internal energy. So, why do opaque materials become warmer when light shines on them? For example, we have here a piece of wood under the sun, which is the source of light. The light given by the sun to the wood is absorbed by the atoms and molecules that results to the vibrations that become internal energy and thus leading to a temperature increase. Opaque materials absorb light without re-emitting it. The vibrations that is given by the light or the sun is turned into a kinetic energy. Why metals are shiny? Free electrons in metals vibrates when light strikes them, thereby re-emitting the light as reflected light. The metal's shyness is basically their built-in property. In metal atom, the outermost electrons are only weakly attached to the nucleus. When a bunch of metal atoms come together in a chunk, these outer electrons wiggle free. When the wave of light hits the sea of electrons, electrons absorb the light wave energy, which makes them wobble or moves from side to side. This movement generates the second wave of light, and that is what we see shine. But different metal shines different way. That's because, depending on the metal, the sea of electrons will have a different mass and density, which affects how freely the electrons can move, and therefore, they can vibrate to match the incoming wave. Our atmosphere is transparent to visible light and some infrared, but almost opaque to high-frequency ultraviolet waves. The ultraviolet that gets through is responsible for sunburns. Clouds are semi-transparent to ultraviolet, so you can get a sunburn on a cloudy day. Ultraviolet also reflects from sun and water, so you can sometimes get a sunburn while in the shade of a beach umbrella. Why is glass transparent to visible light but opaque to ultraviolet and infrared? The answer is, the natural frequency of vibration for electrons in glass matches the frequency of ultraviolet light. So resonance in the glass occurs when ultraviolet waves shine on it. These vibrations generate heat instead of wave emission, so the glass is opaque to ultraviolet. Another reason is, in the range of visible light, the forced vibration of electrons in the glass result in the re-emission of light, so the glass is transparent. Lastly, lower frequency infrared causes entire atomic structures to resonate, so heat is generated and the glass is opaque.